No, I mean cards. Okay, disappearing cards. So you're going to learn these cards with you're going to drill these cards with your students, and then they have to remember them in the right order as I take them away. Okay? So let's start. Blueberries are yummy.
Blueberries are yummy.
Worms are yucky.
Worms are yucky.
Spaghetti is yummy.
Spaghetti is yummy.
Blue crayons are yucky.
Blue crayons are yucky.
Blueberries are yummy.
Blueberries are yummy.
Worms are yucky.
Worms are yucky.
Spaghetti is yummy.
Spaghetti is yummy.
Blue crayons are yucky.
Blue crayons are yucky.
You got it? I'm taking one away.
Blueberries are yummy. Worms are yucky. Spaghetti is yummy. Blue crayons are yucky.
Well done. Taking one more away.
No.
Ready?
Blueberries are yummy. Worms are yucky. Spaghetti is yummy. Blue crayons are yucky.
Taking one more away. So,
Blueberries are yummy. Worms are yucky. Spaghetti is yummy. Blue crayons are yucky.
Okay. Ready?
Blueberries are yummy. Worms are yucky. Spaghetti is yummy. Blue crayons are yucky.
Well done!
Did it?
You can drill any cards that way. I would use the harder cards first because that's the one they say the most. Okay, they have to remember these. Okay, and I have a special drill. Is that what you're saying? Okay, this is another example of a drill of disappearing cards. But we're making a brew, a witch's brew.
A witch's brew.
To make our witch's brew, we need
Mushrooms.
fingernails,
Spider web.
spiders.
Bug juice. Worms.
Okay, but we're going to use a sentence. In my witch's brew, I put.
In my witch's brew I put mushrooms.
In my witch's brew, I put.
In my witch's brew I put fingernails.
In my
Witch's
Brew I put spider web. In my witch's brew I put spider. In my witch's brew I put bug juice. In my witch's brew I put worms.
You got the order?
Yeah.
Let's start. Okay. In my witch's brew, I put
mushrooms. In my witch's brew I put fingernails. In my witch's brew I put spider web. In my witch's brew I put spider. In my witch's brew I put bug juice. In my witch's brew I put worms.
One's going out. Ready?
In my witch's brew I put mushrooms. In my witch's brew I put fingernails. In my witch's brew I put spider web. In my witch's brew I put spider. In my witch's brew I put bug juice. In my witch's brew I put worms.
Okay, and etc. We keep going until there's no more cards and they have the whole sequence. We have a witch's brew.